Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva AI tools to create stunning designs in just seconds. From text to image magic to AI powered layouts, Canva makes professional design easier than ever. So in here, what you need to do is just open Canva on your browser or Canva app on your phone, and then just head to the Canva AI. You can go to the left side menu in here, then click on the Canva AI. Now you can just describe the idea that you want. For example, in here, I'm going to go with this prompt: create a YouTube thumbnail about gaming. And in here, you need to, you can choose between design for me or create an image. And for thumbnails, I'm going to just go with 16 by 9. Then you can just hit on this button to generate the design. And Canva will give you some options that you can choose. You guys can see in here. And if you want to modify the thumbnail, you can just click on it, and in here you can just write what would you like to change about the thumbnail. You can also open the thumbnail in Canva editor by clicking on this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.